Hi and welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are preparing a healthy recipe using superfood moringa leaves or drumstick leaves. So I'm making a paratha this time. I saw this recipe on some video and wanted to try it out. The ingredients list is given in the description box below. Do subscribe, click the bell, like, share and comment before watching the video. So let's move right in. So to make the paratha, I have taken in a bowl some atta or wheat flour, turmeric powder, gram flour, crushed coriander seeds, salt to taste, oil and some cumin seeds. Apart from all these ingredients, I have also got the moringa leaves or drumstick leaves which I have chopped finely and some ginger, green chilli and onions which I have chopped finely. So now we'll add all these ingredients and make a paratha dough out of it. So let's mix all these dry ingredients and crumble it a little. Now we'll add the rest of the ingredients. That's the moringa leaves, the onion, ginger and ginger and green chilies. Now let's mix everything together. Once it's mixed nicely, we'll add water gradually and make a paratha dough out of it. So I've added the water, now let's bring the dough together. So the dough is ready, let it sit for a few minutes and then we'll start rolling the parathas. So I've made a peda out of the dough. I'm dusting it with some flour and then we'll roll it into parathas. Now the paratha is ready. I have heated a tawa on fire, medium flame. I have placed the paratha on the tawa. Now we'll grease this with some ghee or oil and cook the parathas until brown spots appear on both sides. So I'm flipping the paratha and cooking it from the other side as well. And once done from both sides, we'll remove it from fire and cook this other parathas in the same way. So do try this healthy recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.